Hello crypto traders, welcome back to the Altrady channel. Today I've got something that will keep you glued to the screen. 4 swing trading strategies explained step by step and shown directly here on the Altrady platform. These are simple but extremely effective strategies. You can apply right away to boost your performance. And I promise by the end of this video you will have a complete toolkit to handle any market, trending, sideways or even counter trend. Are you ready? Let's dive straight into the first one. Strategy 1. The first strategy is called Ride the Trend. The goal here is simple. We enter in the direction of the main trend after a retracement. Check out this chart. I set up a 50 period moving average. You can also use the 21 for a quicker response. What I do is wait for the price to test that moving average. Trust me, it happens almost every time. Now the key is to watch for the reaction. If we were in an uptrend and price touches the moving average, then prints a continuation pattern, that's our long signal. Here in Solana, if we're on a downtrend, same logic but flipped. I wait for bearish rejection at the moving average to go short. But be careful, if the price breaks the moving average strongly and doesn't follow the trend anymore, don't get fooled. That means momentum has shifted. In that case, skip the trade and wait for a clearer setup. In short, riding the trend means entering only where the probabilities are on our side, using retracements as golden entry opportunities. The second strategy is the riskiest, but also the most profitable. Hunt the reversal. Here we're going against the trend, and I know what you're thinking, but the trend is your friend. That's true, but the trend reversals I caught at the right time can deliver the biggest profits. Here's how it works. First, spot a strong move into a key level of support or resistance. Then, wait for the rejection pattern. Price breaks the level but immediately bounces back, leaving behind a strong reversal candle. This usually happens during accumulation or distribution phases. At this stage, we might see setups like the classic Ross 1, 2, 3 hook or the formation of a new higher high or higher low. The third strategy is called Ping Pong. And it's perfect when the market goes sideways, during accumulation or distribution phases. There's no clear trend, price just bounces between support and resistance like a ping pong ball. The logic is straightforward. Identify the range, wait for a false breakout, and if price breaks support but then shoots back up with a strong green candle, I go long. If it breaks resistance but gets rejected with a red candle, I go short. The important thing is to place your take profits before the opposite level, not exactly on the support or resistance, so you don't get trapped. The fourth strategy isn't an entry strategy, but a real lifesaver, the hedge strategy. It's all about protecting your portfolio and reducing risk. But let's face it, markets are unpredictable, and even with the perfect analysis, we can't be right 100% of the time. Hedging works like this. If I got a losing position, instead of closing it right away, I open an opposite position to reduce exposure. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a smart way to limit losses and manage volatility. On Altrady, I can do this in just a few clicks, either hedging the same pair or diversifying into a correlated asset. It's a professional approach that makes a huge difference in the long run. And there you have it. 4 swing trading strategies you can start applying right now on the Altrady platform. Now I want to hear from you, which strategy are you most excited to try first? If you've enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future content. And always remember, in trading, discipline beats luck. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Altrady.